Biakamal bana breaking news me bana jeling ka kume spele mayo marwaj ke Dr. Riek Machar Durgon ka duob e cha which nas tiang kirma yadit re which ka juba ban lera me bana jeling kel kan konore ler kana me mi jira majidit ka Noor online TV channel go rajah no jender subscribe ke der jenyo ka nazin ko kien ko blarity bi kan shwa mala shu gosnaten gor kon ken o de koten shu je pel do jen o jin bi notification bal bi je twan ko blarity shwa mala shu kaje lera me bana jalat ka tungnat ka kore be je kwen ya ka tok english ko biya je kulali gwas me men bana ling chala do nene chiku me spelem ayo ga ko sha kwar ken wuch tiang ka wer ka shanka wel ka pairo ron kin dangraw di jan dangraw di dh a kwana kirma yadit rai wacce ka juba ci kirma yadit ca kwar ca ka witiyan men kuna ga ga je gwasame ki aspele mayo men ga kane kanina what LZ minister kana western equatorial commissioner kane tol ngoni me sha time karon kin dangraw wido wal badak ci garwa je mo ci kana kwen kana watch kwaratin konan pa wuja kirma yadit kana chatere ngoni me chatan kanna me shimgwa baje kwen ya ka tok english ka do badan kan latkeje SPLMIO dispute removal of LZ minister and Western Equatorial governor, calling it a violation of peace agreement. The Sudan People Liberation Movement, in opposition, SPLMIO has strongly opposed the removal of LZ Minister Yolanda Awil and Western Equatorial State Governor Alfred Futuyo Karaba, describing it as a breach of the revitalized agreement on the resolution of conflict in South Sudan. In a statement issued by Pogbut Balwang, acting press secretary in the office of First Vice President Riek Machar, the SPLMIO expressed disappointment over the presidential decree announced by President Salva Kiir on Monday, stating that the dismissals were an unilateral decision made without consultation. The SPLMIO leadership did not decide on the removal. Therefore, we consider this another serious violation of revitalized agreement by the SPLM-IG Balwang said. Under the provision of the revitalized peace agreement, key government appointments are subject to consultation and consensus between the signatory parties, including SPLM-IG and SPLMIO. The opposition emphasized that any change involving SPLMIO official must be initiated by the party itself. We wish to state unequivocally that when the SPLMIO leadership decides to replace any of its members serving in the government structure under the revitalized peace agreement, the party will nominate a replacement by notifying the president concurrently, Balwang said. The statement underscored the growing tension between the two main signatories to the peace agreement, raising concern about its full implementation and the stability of governance structures in South Sudan. The SPLMIO called on the government to honor the term of peace agreement and respect the mechanism outlined for political appointment and dismissal. I'm going to go me alandi konan shawuj nero dio je shalen gwadrano te korm ci tuok tiang ka yambio ka woyut ka machal ka futuyo ka wa korm tuok ka state capital ka Western Equatoria mugu yena kene na me a violation kan wote konte chatan koron kindang rewol badek kene shine logo na me mu ba chamme ka kume ke do ba ci gon yam ka je rei wo kana ka kan ka rach ka kuarnan la kule Dr. Machar man la president dung SPLMIO kane chicken ngotte chalat chicken katol ka kuja mo magora mal magwa en kirma yadit daran korach kane kon la kuma SPLMIO tika kwanne ne Dr. Machar ten yo mi chikaro kula ling de na de kula wuje lo ne te ko ramran de na wuje dara Dr. Machar ka SPLMIO ko do dan lat kane anta makana na me rekel ki a violation of 2018 revitalized peace agreement e chatan re which ka Sudan neme agenda an le rode ngai ne je gwa en wo re we ke yambio me she aling la korte tenen winemi tena kore ka state capital kana kula ngani mi cha kapchong dungdo agenda na shoda lat en ban je gumro dien ban to ko keno kon lat ko dien ko ko len ko antama re ko ne kan ga wo kan ngambe ka ta da na wo kan nat ka je re wich ka South Sudan e kirma yadi to biata mal